One hand on the, what the? Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, I'm shaking.
Oh my god. Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Oh, holy shit. You know, after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
babe,
god.
it's okay. Just,
hold on. Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck. Wait. Damn it! Are you
millionaire. The lesson here is that the people that look like they have money, they don't have any money, and the people that don't look rich are usually the ones that are mega rich. I personally think that if you've been building wealth for a long time by staying focused, you stay in your lane, and you live below your means, you're going to get wealthier than someone who is trying to constantly compare themselves to others. The next huge wealth killer, in my opinion, in your 20s and 30s is optimizing for salary instead of equity, especially if you have access to equity. This one is super relevant if you're working for a startup or a company that offers stock-based.
We've had people escape from fires and then go back into that boat.
Emergency video. Emergency video.
What could you possibly get for the girl who lost everything and nothing all at once?
the fuck just happened there?
We hit the best both and we're so in frames. They say I'm bad now.
out of that. How the fuck did we not get in an accident right there?
Oh, la putain de ta mère a pu... Hein? Vous voulez tout?
Better not waste my shit. I'm way too high off like somebody lace my shit. Or a dirge with the string, you gotta say.